Yes po, ma'am. Pero, nakabahan po, ma'am.
Sige. Okay. Okay lang yun huwag kakabahan. Kasi meron naman mag-aalam sa'yo. Tinulog sa'yo ng mga big. Okay, Pascal, since bago ka pa lang, ako muna yung magtuturo sa'yo kasi malayo yung mga companies ko, yung mga college ko para mag-assist sa'yo. Since wala sila, ako yung mga pala yung manager nyo. Yan, nice to meet you again, Pascal. Okay, come on, come here, let's go. Okay. Okay, Pascal, since bago ka pa lang and she still don't know anything yet, right? Okay, so mag-i-start muna tayo sa safety precautions, alright? Safety precautions number 1. Dapat kapag meron kang mga magnetic things, ayan, as you can see, ayan yung mga components natin. So, basically, wala pa yung iba kasi yung mga colleagues ko is sinama nila yun sa pag-iipak. Ayan na, syempre, to keep our shop very clean and very tidy. Okay? So, yeah. So, ang safety precautions number 1 natin is kapag meron kang mga magnetic pumunta. Meron kang mga magnet, dapat hindi mo siya ididikit or itatapat sa mga hardware components natin sa tapat ng piece natin. Okay? Kasi, pwede siyang makareduce ng anti-static discharge. So, may possibility na kapag nabuo na yung piece mo, hindi sila gagana. Okay? You get it? Good job, Pascal. Okay, safety precautions number 2. You must wash your hands before touching any components, okay? And you will also need to dry it, syempre, kasi kapag hinawakan mo ng wet or basa yung kamay mo, may possibility na masisira talaga ang ating hardware components. Alright, Pascal? Okay, good job. Okay, for our safety precautions number 3, your PC area must be well tight. You know what that means? That means dapat ang space mo and yung space mo in your PC area is malawak. Alright? That's why marami tayong cables here and hindi occupy yung space natin. Kasi mayroong possibility na mahirapan ka mag-adjust ng mga wires mo and may possibility pa nga na makuryente ka. So, that's why kailangan mo na very big space. Also, syempre, para hindi mag-overheat yung system unit mo o yung PC mo. Kasi, kapag medyo dull ba ang mga PC area mo, kasi, tapos may init ba yung loob ng room na pinag-computeran mo, pwedeng mag-overheat. Okay? Okay. Good job. Safety precaution number 4. After you are done doing the component or tapos ka na mag-PC, ganon, unplug mo siya. But before you unplug it, you must turn it off or shut down it first. Alright? Para maayos. Okay? Okay. Good job. And now for our final safety precaution. Safety precaution number 5, you must keep all waters or any liquid from your PC or sa mga ibibad mong computer, system unit, okay? Kasi, ayun, kapag kunwari nasa tapat mo yung water mo or yung any liquid stuff and yung pagkain, may possibility na kapag kumakain ka, yung pagkain mo is mahulog doon sa keyboard mo or sa ginagawa mo, which is very bad, okay? Kasi it can damage the motherboard or yung any other parts of the system unit na ginagawa mo. Okay? Siyempre, same lang din naman sa water. Alright, Pascal? Okay? So, that's all for today. I hope you learned something. So, tomorrow, you will be starting to work, okay? Although it's a safety precautions, then you will meet my college, yung mga other people na hinarn ko. Alright? Okay, let's go!